All right, language explorers. Let's have a look at some more phonics. So, O, U, soul, soul, owl, O, U, soul, and sue, or so, oo, sue, so together. That, th, th, that, and thin, 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 and that. That is the screen. This is a thin book. This is not a thin book. And tin, tin, in, tin, tin. Yeah, it is made from tin. It is made from tin. Made from tin. How cool is that? Yeah. Getting. 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 Ting. Getting. It is getting closer. Getting closer. Yeah. An ed. Jumped. Jump. Jump. Jumped. He jumped in the air. Ed. Jumped. And debt. bt. Debt. Not deb. Debt. 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 And pterodactyl with a silent p. Not well, pterodactyl, but pterodactyl. Pterodactyl. Let's try and get a picture of a pterodactyl. Or maybe not. A kind of bird. So imagine this and dinosaur. Plus dinosaur. Pterodactyl, yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? And define. Define. T-E or N-E. Define. Define. Yeah. So, soul. Sue. That. Thin. Tin. Tin, a kind of metal. Getting. Getting. Jumped. Debt. Debt. Pterodactyl. And define. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.